class 8 students, class 7 students. This is chapter 1, revision of this chapter. Multiplication and division of integers. Problem number 1. Simplify, curly bracket, square bracket, curly bracket, parenthesis, 5 minus 8 into 2, curly bracket close, minus 10 plus 3 minus 1 vernaculum, square bracket close. So first we'll go to the parenthesis, that is 5 minus 8 is minus 3 into 2, curly bracket close, square bracket given in the beginning, minus 10 plus 2, square bracket close. Then come to this the curly bracket, so minus 3 into 2, that is equal to minus 6, right? So this becomes minus 6 and minus 10 plus 2, this becomes minus 8. So you can put here the square bracket as given. Therefore we obtain last minus 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 14. So this is the answer of this question. Next, this is problem 2. Minus 80 plus 6 into curly bracket vernacular minus 3 minus 21 plus 20 plus curly bracket close plus 100. The solution, minus 80 plus 6 into curly bracket starts, so minus 3 minus 21, that becomes minus 24 plus 20 curly bracket close plus 100. So minus 80 plus 6 into the curly bracket, you see, minus 24 plus 20, this becomes minus 4 plus 100. Now if you simplify the bracket with 6 multiplied, so it becomes minus 24. So you obtain minus 80 minus 24 plus 100. So adding both negative numbers, we are getting 104 and plus 100, so this is equal to minus 4. So answer is minus 4. Third problem. Negative 4 multiplied by negative 10 is subtracted from positive 80 multiplied by negative 1. So this is a solution. It is given subtracted from positive 80 multiplied by negative 1. So first to write that one. So minus 1 into 80 in the square bracket. And negative 4 multiplied by negative 10, so minus 4 into minus 10, put in bracket. Now simplify, so minus 80 minus 40, answer is minus 140. Keep in mind, this is the last video because of the clarity problem, this is recent again. Okay, then also it continues the rest part of the second chapter, the next chapter, the lesson 12, revision again, which we have done earlier. Topic is lines and angle. Problem 1, find xy. The picture given earlier, and it is the solution of this. The figure you can see A, B, and A, G and C, D are two parallel lines as shown. Two transversal A, F and HE. If angle as shown 56, 46, two angles given, you have to find out x and y degree. Okay, so look at the figure as named. You have two corresponding angle, you can guess which two. That is angle ABC is equal to angle DCE. Corresponding angle, so the measurement will be equal, so that is 46 degree. Similarly, you have two alternate angles, you can guess, that is AF transversal line. So angle BAC is equal to angle ACD. So that will be equal to 56 degree. So therefore, the alternate angle as shown in the figure is X and the corresponding angle as shown in the figure is Y. Therefore, X is equal to 56 degree and Y is equal to 46 degree. Next, problem 2. You have Problem 2. Find xy. The figure given here you can see AB and CD are two parallel lines. H is a point inside it from G and HI join to H. You have to, it is given here to find out the angle so angle you have to find out. Angle is x and y, one reflex angle x and its opposite y you have to find out. For that, a construction required. You draw line EF through H such that AB will be parallel to EF, parallel to CD. By doing so, you will get to two transversal, that is GH and IH, so that from the first transversal, angle AGH is equal to angle GHF. What angle they are? They are interior alternate angle, so therefore 145 degree. Similarly, from the lower side, transversal HI, angle DIH is equal to angle IHF, that is equal to 135 degree. So therefore, the reflex angle X is equal to sum of these two. So 145 degree plus 135 degree is equal to 280 degree. And at H, the total angle formed is a complete angle, that is 360 degree. Therefore, Y is equal to 360 degree minus 280 degree is equal to 80 degree. Therefore, X is equal to 280 degree and Y is equal to 80 degree. Then it is the third problem. We have problem 3. Two complementary angles are x plus 20 and 2x minus 56. Find x and measure each angle. Okay. So since x plus 20 and 2x minus 56 are complementary angles, therefore the sum will be 90 degree. Hence x plus 20 plus 2x minus 56 is equal to 90 degree. By simplifying, you are getting 3x minus 36 is equal to 90 degree. So 3x plus 3x is equal to 90 plus 36 is equal to 126 degree. X is equal to 126 by 3 is equal to 42 degree. So x value is 42 degree. Then find out x plus 20 degree and 2x minus 56 degree. So x plus 20, that is equal to, you can find, that is 42 plus 20 62 degree. And 2x minus 56, that is 2 into 42 minus 56. So 84 minus 56, that is 28 degree. Therefore, two angles are 62 degree and 28 degree. I hope you understood this problem, because it is sent earlier, but because of the clarity problem, it is resent again. Thank you.